Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve x plus xy plus y is equals to 216, where x and y belongs to positive integer and we have to write the value of x plus y. So let's start with the today's video solution. So we'll take this. Now I'm going to add 1 both sides. Now, from these are 4 terms, so from first 2 terms, I can take x as common, so 1 plus y. And again, if I'll take 1 as common, so y plus 1 is equals to 217. Now, 1 plus y plus 1 is common. So, x plus 1 is equals to 217. So, if I'll write this, so we can write it as x plus 1 or y plus 1 is equals to 217. Now 217, we can write it as 31 times 7 or 7 times 31. So we can break it as x plus 1, y plus 1 is equals to 31 multiply 7, first case. And second one is when x plus 1 or y plus 1 is equals to 7 times 31. So first we'll take when x plus 1 is equals to 31 or y plus 1 is equals to 7. So we'll subtract 1 from both sides. So x is equals to 30. And here again we subtract 1 from both sides. So y is equals to 6. So in this case, x plus y is 30 plus 6, that is 36. Now comes to other case. Here x plus 1, when x plus 1 is equals to 7, we'll subtract 1 from both sides. So x is equals to 6. And when y plus 1 is equals to 31, we'll subtract 1 from both sides. So y is equals to 30. The value of x plus y is 6 plus 30. It is 36. So that's how you can find the value of x plus y. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.